Well, my S10 here had a miss, and I put new plugs and wires in it, made it better, but then when it got really cold here, it rained and then snowed, and it got really cold, and then when I went out in the morning, you can kind of see some of my, I'll put it in the description, a link, the cold start failure to this truck. So yeah, she failed to start. So after doing some looking online, I'm like, well, I gotta get the coil packs, and picked them up. And from doing the plugs and wires on it, I'm like, God, it's a pain in the ass to get to those coil packs here. Of course, you got this off when you do it, and you're reaching in there and just fighting, and like, well, changing those coil packs is going to be a nightmare because they're in there. They're way down there. I know from changing the oil on it, they're not very easy to get at from the bottom either. And I'm like, fuck, this is going to be a pain in the ass. So, well, and watching other YouTubers and stuff like that struggle at doing it, because they're either doing it from the top or the bottom, my buddy's like, dude, just go through the wheel well. You can't get any easier than that. Literally right there, easy access. Jack it up, pull the tire off. 2 long extensions, and then because it brings the ratchet way out, you can just take your finger and swirl it pretty easy. Just a 5.5 millimeter ratchet. If you got this, makes it even easier. So, well, and now we're gonna see if that fixes the problem. Oh, runs like $1 million. Still seems like something else maybe wrong, but she runs again.